Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resetting the Windows spotlights features on your Windows 11 computer. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. You need to click on it and click yes. Now check my video description for this command guys. You just need to copy the command over my video description and you just need to copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter guys. After finishing this command, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart. Hopefully the spotlight feature has been successfully reset and restored on your Windows computer guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.